In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wix name servers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see the name servers associated with a Wix hosted site, so you can share them with a registrar or verify DNS settings with confidence. First, a quick overview. Name servers are the backbone of DNS. They tell the internet which provider is responsible for your domain's records. If you're connecting a domain, troubleshooting DNS, or confirming who manages your records, knowing the Wix name servers is essential. Start by grabbing the URL you're working with. This can be the live site link or the public URL you have handy. On your computer, right-click the link and choose Copy Link Address. If you prefer shortcuts, highlight the URL and copy it. The goal is simply to have the site's address on your clipboard so we can look it up. Next, open a new browser tab and go to a website called MIP8MS. This is a public lookup tool that can show technical information about websites and networks. You don't need an account, and you won't make any changes here. You're just viewing data. Once the page loads, click into the search bar at the top and paste the link you copied. Make sure the URL looks correct and includes the site domain. Then run the search. The tool will fetch details related to that address. On the results page, find and select the Whois lookup option. OKUIs is a standard way to view domain-related information, including registrar details, status, and importantly for us, the name servers assigned to the site. It may take a moment to load depending on traffic, so give it a second. When the Whois information appears, scroll down until you see a section labeled Website Name Servers. This is the exact spot where the current name servers are listed. For Wix, you'll typically see entries that reference Wix's DNS, often ending in wixdns.net. Jot these down exactly as shown, including any numbers or prefixes. If more than one name server is listed, capture them all in the order presented, since registrars usually ask for at least two. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the site was just published or the domain was recently connected, Whois data can take time to propagate, so you might not see updates immediately. If you pasted a link that isn't the actual site URL, go back, copy the public site address, and search again. And remember, viewing name servers here doesn't change anything. It simply confirms what's currently in place. That's it. You found the Wix name servers using a simple lookup, and you're ready to share or verify them wherever needed.